What's up everybody, MT Motor Rider here, and today I want to talk about the Ram XGrip from Ram Mounts. Pretty much everybody nowadays has a cell phone, whether it be an iPhone, Android, whatever. And if you're like me, you definitely take your phone with you when you go riding, just in case you need it if there's an accident. Maybe you have it hooked to a Bluetooth communicator like a Sena or a Pack Talk or something like that. Maybe you need to have it so you can see it in front of you for navigation. So if you do need your phone for navigation or anything like that, you need it where you can see it on your motorcycle. So I recommend the Ram XGrip from Ram Mounts. This is an amazing phone mount. So a little bit about the Ram XGrip. I actually purchased the large version of the XGrip because I have a iPhone 8 Plus, and they do make a smaller one to fit the smaller regular iPhones or Androids, but the large is made for bigger phones such as the iPhone Pluses, the Galaxy Pluses, and anything that size, Pixels, whatever kind of phone you have. Is if it's the bigger size, you definitely want to go with the large one so your phone will fit. The XGrip has a simple spring-loaded X design, which allows it to fit large phones. When you squeeze and open it, it has a width from 1.75 inches all the way up to 4.5 inches at max width. And as far as the deepness, that is 0.875 inches. It also includes those little rubber caps on each end, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And this is what actually grips your phone and holds it. Now, whenever I purchased mine, don't hold me to it, but I think they included a little bit of super glue in the bag. But if not, you can take a little super glue and put down in there and glue these on, because they will eventually work their way off as you unclamp it and take your phone in and out of the mount. This XGrip is compatible with all B-size socket arms. A socket arm is this thing on the back, which connects here and then also connects to the actual X part. And then I also have different sizes. Here's another one, a little bit longer. There's so many accessories you can buy for this right here, so you can angle it any way you want to. It's almost unlimited possibilities as far as how you want to mount it on your motorcycle. Like I mentioned a little bit ago, the ball on the back is a 1-inch diameter ball. So if you do buy any accessories for this, make sure the sockets are 1 inch in size. The Ram XGrip is made of powder-coated marine grade aluminum and high-strength composite for durability and reliability. This mount's actually really strong as well. According to their website, it's supposed to hold up to 2 pounds, which is, I don't think there's any cell phone that weighs 2 pounds, but apparently it's supposed to hold up to 2 pounds. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. That is, according to Ram Mount's website. At the time of doing this video, they do have this exact mount, excluding any kind of arms or anything. You get the mount and the rubber tether for $29.99 on Amazon.com. There will be a link in the description. Now, when I purchased this, mine actually came with a kind of a U-bolt handlebar clamp design, and I actually have that mounted on my Harley-Davidson Sportster, so I can kind of switch them back and forth. With the Yamaha MT-09, I went with the handlebar clamp mount. That includes the rubber ball and 3 different size bolts. You get a M8 by 55, M8 by 60, and an M8 by 65. And all those have a 1.25 thread pitch. And it's basically compatible with any M8 threaded motorcycle bolt, which is most of the time what they use for handlebar clamps. The handlebar clamp mount is made of high-grade aluminum as well as the XGrip mount. And as I mentioned earlier, since the XGrip has the 1-inch ball, I had to make sure with my handlebar clamp mount that I bought the one with the 1-inch ball, so then all the different arms I have will fit that. At the time of doing this video, you can get the handlebar clamp mount on Amazon for $9.38. The Ram XGrip, I have had this thing for years. I have literally used it on 5 to 6 different motorcycles. I even went down on my Yamaha MT-09 with my phone in this clamp. Now, granted, I was only going maybe 35, 40 mile an hour, but I still went down and it hurt, and I went down pretty hard. The phone didn't move an inch, didn't budge. It was still in the mount. Nothing wrong with my phone at all. Like I mentioned earlier, there will be links in the description for the Ram XGrip as well as the handlebar clamp mount. So definitely check those links out if you are interested in this. This is a great phone mount. I'm not being paid to say anything about this. I'm not sponsored by Ram Mount. I've just literally used this thing for years and it is amazing. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you in any way, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.